How to import any file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro software. Select New Project. Write your project name here. Select Browse to save the project location. Keep the settings same and select OK. Click the right button of the mouse on the project panel and select Import. Select the file and open it. Double-click on project panel and open the file same way. Select any file and drag and drop it to the software. Select File and then select Import. Select the file same way and open it. Press Ctrl and I button of the keyboard. Select the file and open it. Those are the ways to import any file to Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.